Hey there, parents. Welcome to our guide on finding the perfect travel car seat for your precious newborn. Choosing the right car seat is essential for keeping your little one safe and comfortable on all your adventures. In this video, we'll explore the key features you should consider when selecting a car seat. Discover the top picks that are safe, comfortable, and easy to use, and provide all the information you need to make an informed decision. Get ready to learn about the best travel car seats for your newborn because your baby's safety is our top priority. When it comes to your newborn, safety is always our top priority. That's why we'll delve into the essential safety features you need to consider in a travel car seat. Rear-facing capabilities are crucial for newborns, as they provide the best protection in case of a crash. We'll explain why rear-facing is so important and how to choose a seat that offers this feature. We'll also discuss harness systems, making sure the seat's harness fits your little one snugly and securely. And of course, we'll talk about impact protection, how the car seat absorbs energy in the event of a collision, keeping your baby safe and sound. Understanding these safety features will empower you to choose a seat that provides maximum protection for your precious newborn. Now for the exciting part. We're going to highlight some of the top-rated travel car seats specifically designed for newborns. We'll showcase the unique features that make each seat stand out, from innovative designs to user-friendly features. We'll explore the pros and cons of each model so you can get a clear picture of what makes them great and any potential drawbacks. We've carefully curated this list based on safety, comfort, ease of use, and overall value, so you can be confident that these are the best car seats for your little one. Remember, proper installation is key to ensuring the safety of your newborn in their car seat. We'll walk you through a simple guide on how to install the seat correctly in your vehicle, ensuring it's secure and stable. We'll also demonstrate the proper way to buckle your little one into the seat, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. We'll cover important tips for using the seat safely and comfortably for your newborn, from adjusting the harness to ensuring a proper fit as your baby grows. By following these guidelines, you can be confident that your little one is safe and secure on every journey. As we wrap up this guide on the best travel car seats for newborns, remember that choosing the right seat is an important decision for your little one's safety and comfort. We encourage you to carefully consider the features, benefits, and recommendations we've shared in this video. Prioritizing safety and comfort is essential when traveling with your newborn, and having the right car seat will give you peace of mind knowing that your precious little one is safe and secure on every adventure. Happy travels.